Did you know that 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? Imagine the stress of constantly worrying about whether you'll have enough to make it through the month. But what if I told you there's a simple, proven method to take control of your finances and start building wealth? Today, we're diving into the 6-jar method, a revolutionary way to budget, save, and invest smarter. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transform your financial habits and set yourself up for long-term success. And hey, if you love actionable advice like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our wealth building community. Let's start with the problem. The problem with traditional budgeting. Traditional budgeting feels restrictive and complicated. Many people create a budget only to abandon it a few weeks later because it's hard to follow. This leads to financial stress, mounting debt, and a feeling of being stuck in a cycle you can't escape. But what if there was a method that's simple, flexible, and designed to make your money work for you, not the other way around? What is the 6-jar method? The 6-jar method is a simple yet powerful system that divides your income into 6 categories or jars, each serving a specific purpose. These jars ensure that your money is allocated for both your needs and your future wealth. Here's a quick breakdown of each jar. Necessities: 55% of your income for essentials like rent, food, and bills. Savings: 10% for emergencies or big-ticket goals. Investment: 10% to grow your money through stocks, real estate, or businesses. Education: 10% for personal growth, courses, or books. Fun: 10% for guilt-free spending on hobbies and entertainment. Charity: 5% to give back and make a difference. This system ensures you cover all your bases while still enjoying life and planning for the future. Let's start with the biggest jar, necessities. This jar covers your day-to-day living expenses, rent, groceries, utilities, and transportation. The rule is to allocate 55% of your income here. The challenge? If your necessities exceed 55%, it's time to reassess. Can you cut back on non-essentials? Move to a less expensive apartment? The goal is to live within this percentage, freeing up money for the other jars. Savings are your safety net. Allocate 10% of your income to this jar for emergencies, future goals, or that dream vacation. The key is consistency. Save every single month, no matter how small the amount. Over time, this jar grows into a cushion that gives you peace of mind. Jar 3. The investment jar is your wealth builder. Allocate 10% of your income to investments like stocks, mutual funds, real estate, or even starting a business. This jar is all about making your money work for you. The earlier you start, the greater your returns, thanks to the power of compound interest. Jar 4. Education. Did you know the wealthiest people in the world never stop learning? Your education jar is for courses, books, workshops, or anything that improves your skills and knowledge. Investing in yourself is the highest return investment you'll ever make. Here's the jar everyone loves: fun. Allocate 10% of your income for guilt-free spending on hobbies, entertainment, or splurges. This jar keeps you motivated and prevents burnout. Remember, wealth building isn't just about saving, it's about enjoying the journey. Jar 6. The final jar is for giving back. Allocate 5% of your income to charity or helping others. This jar reminds us that wealth is about more than money. It's about making a positive impact on the world. In summary, the 6-jar method provides a structured, balanced way to manage your finances. By allocating your income into necessities, savings, investments, education, fun, and charity, you'll create a system that supports both your present needs and future goals. Which jar will you focus on first? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend, And don't forget to subscribe for more wealth building tips. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building the life you deserve.